Hi, I'm standing here in front of Crab Library on University Drive, and I want to tell you about the two geek locations inside the building. First, the atrium is home to our electronic equipment checkout and computer lab. Students can check out electronics from us here. Everything from Windows and Mac PCs to iPads to video cameras. Anything to assist them with their academic endeavors here at EKU. The lab is host to Windows and Mac PCs and some booths that are great to study in. We're keeping the lab extra clean for you too. Next, if you walk around the university building to the little entrance of the library, this is where you go for our Tech Commons location in the basement. Tech Commons is where you can find assistance with PC troubleshooting, virus and malware cleanups, and software installations. Be sure to wear your mask, swipe your EKU ID, and sanitize as you come into the building. Once inside, take the main steps down or use the elevator to get to the first floor of the Crab Library. Once you are on the first floor, go behind the staircase to the hallway or off the elevators to your left. At the hallway, turn left and follow the hallway past the men's bathroom and Dick Mayo Auditorium until you see the IT Geek Tech Commons sign at room 110. A geek will be at our desk happy to assist you with your tech needs.